Wagi wa maai kwa ihinda rĩa mĩeri 6 ũndũ ũmwe na wagi wa thitima nĩ mĩhĩnga ĩrĩa ĩgũmĩire kambuni ya EPZ mwena wa Athi River kaunti-ini ya Machakos.
For you to be competitive in the market, you have to lower the cost of production. And power is one of the main factors. Transport is another one. There are so many utilities that you need to scale down so that you compete with other factories in the same market.
Kuringana na Arugamiriri wa kambuni yo Isinga ni ugete mari na wendi munene wa guteithiriria kurehe uthii wa nambere bururi-ini undu umwe na kuhingia ituge inya cia mutongoria wa bururi no mihinga no ni irarituhia mirutire ya wira kambuni-ini yo.
We had a meeting with the ministry and we debated on the issue, and they said that maybe they will scale down to 50% so that we compete effectively with other companies in the same business.
We did exports of apparel from EPZ alone, about $380 million, and the importers from US who import these commodities from the region import them duty-free and access-free. So we think this is a very important opportunity. This preference has brought investors to catch in and of course created jobs, as you can see, and keep the economy moving.
Niongereire kuga thogora wa mahuthiro ni wambatirite na gikiro kinene undu uria uroneka kuhotomia mirutire ya wira ya makiria maruti wira 6,500.
We are trying to improve the working condition of employees day by day, and we have fixed a very good practice for the employees so that they enjoy the place of work.
Riu Arugamiriri ya kambuni ino ni moritie thirikari kumateithiriria undu uria mangihota niguo kuona maai na njira iria yagiriire undu umwe na kunyihia thogora wa thitima na gicunji kia 50 harĩ 100. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni wa Ng'ang'a.